everyone, I'm gonna make fruit caramel custard pudding. So for that, I'm gonna take a pan, and into this pan I'm gonna introduce some milk. The milk that I have is about 500 ml, but I'm going to introduce only half a portion of it. I'm not going to boil this milk, but I'm gonna heat it for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of sugar into this milk, and when it's done, I'm going to switch it off. I'm going to take 1 egg and I'm going to pour it into a bowl and beat it nicely using a knife. And then I'll take the hot milk mixture into this bowl. After it's done, I'm going to mix it nicely using a spoon. After this, I'm going to take 1 orange and I'll extract the pulp from the orange. Here I've taken 2 slices of orange and I'm going to extract only the pulp. And then I'm going to take 3 slices of orange to extract only the juice this time. And it will look very wonderful like this. Wow. Do you agree, Duke? Yeah, I do. Thanks, Duke. We have 3 strawberries. I'm going to slice it up nicely using a knife. Then we have 1/4 of the banana. I'm going to slice it up nicely using a knife. Then I'm going to introduce 1 bowl of sugar into a pan, and I'm going to put half a bowl of water into this pan to make caramel. So when the sugar is started to boil, I'm going to extract some sugar syrup into a bowl so that I can actually add the strawberries into this sugar syrup. And I'll add all the mixture into a mixie, and I will add some water also into this mixie. Then I'll let it mix nicely using this mixie machine. And after it is done, it will look something like this. When the sugar syrup actually starts to develop some color like light brown, I think you need to actually take it off from the heat and introduce it into some bowls like this. I have taken a steel bowl. You can actually take your own molds or something. When the sugar syrup has actually developed a glass-like consistency, you need to introduce sliced bananas into it, and then I'm going to introduce the strawberry syrup or juice. It looks so wonderful. Wow. And after that, I'm going to actually add this pulp, milk and egg mixture into this. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Then I'm going to cover these bowls with the help of aluminum foil. I'm going to take a tawa as well. Into this tawa, I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to add these 2 bowls into this big tawa and let it get heated up. And it took about 40 minutes to get this cooked. After 40 minutes, it looks something like this. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out, and it becomes slightly cool. And I'm going to loosen the edges of this pudding using a knife, and I'm going to invert it using a plate. Let's see. Wow, oh, slightly cracked, but tasted very delicious. Thank you for watching, guys.